My job sent me here for 3 months to work from here.
Okay.
For now, I've only been in Cebu, and I visited few places with my colleagues for national food, and that's it for now. Cebu is a big city,
Yeah.
busy city. There is both of like good stuff and maybe some more rural stuff.
Okay.
Um, there's a lot of different food. I think you really like the national food here, and it's quite interesting to explore for now.
Okay. And how about the food here? Have you tried any food or local food in Cebu?
I tried several different ones, but I will not remember the names. I tried the sour soup,
Okay.
something starting with S. I tried the fried pork belly, very good. I tried, no, I tried like 5 dishes yesterday. I tried garlic rice and regular rice. What else was there?
The most delicious food you tried.
The fried pork belly,
Okay.
super nice.
Super delicious.
Yes.
That's good. Thank you so much. And how about if you
And
prefer-
Red Horse. French food is different. They have better bread, of course. They have better like butter, a lot of interesting stuff. But I also like Filipino food. I will, but I haven't traveled yet, so I need to travel some of the beautiful locations of the city to recommend something properly. Because Cebu is a big city, but it's not, I think, that exciting for a foreigner to visit. I will, I will go to Old Street in
Okay.
Cebu, starting with M. I don't remember which one.
The Colon Street, I think.
Yes,
Yeah.
Old Street in Philippines as well, I think.
I think Colon, the only street in Philippines.
Besides that, in the area, I was planning to go with my colleagues
Okay.
to Lapu-Lapu,
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
to Malbal,
Yeah, the volleyball is very good in also.
to Bohol,
Yeah.
like all the nearby locations we're gonna visit.
The people and in general.
I would call it very warm, like the city and the people.
If you rate Cebu or Philippines, 10 is the highest. What would it be, the Cebu?
For now, cannot judge yet because I haven't traveled,
Yeah, you did travel, explore.
but I think it's gonna be 8 or 9.
Okay.
I will explore Malbal, Bohol,
Yeah.
Lapu-Lapu. I will also want to go to Boracay for New Year and to Caron as well because they tell it's very beautiful. I also want to go to the Siagaro,
Yeah,
Sis-
Siargao.
Siargao Islands.
And how about the Palawan? You want to go there also?
But since I go to Caron, maybe Palawan is close, similar.
Yeah.
I will visit something else.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.